Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video we're going to be making a decor piece, a wall hanging decor piece that says thankful, okay? And let's jump right into the video, guys, so I can show you exactly what we're using for this craft. Everything I'm using, guys, to create this is down in the description box below. This is a wool decor piece and it is for Thanksgiving, guys. So we may or may not use, I believe we will, these pine cones, okay? And I got these, guys, at the Dollar Tree. Also, even though it looks butchered, I did get the sunflowers at the Dollar Tree. And then this is just a piece of boxwood that I had left over. That, guys, I got this at Walmart. And the jute twine, I got this in the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree. And I'll probably be embellishing with just a little bit of pearls. And guys, look what I found. So we got the sunflowers. I'm absolutely excited to use these. And I went ahead and I made a tassel. Now guys, I previously made the tassel, so it's done. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So we will be making one of these on camera soon, because I like to incorporate those in a lot of my crafts. I'm going to use the buffalo check. I got this at the Dollar Tree, guys, in the ribbon, okay, just to embellish this. So I took this and like I said, I spray painted this outside in this beautiful color green. I am absolutely loving this green. So I for time's sake, I went outside, spray painted it, and so now we're going to go ahead and embellish together. So the first thing we're going to do is, I thought for this sign, we would go ahead and make a small little sunflower bouquet, but using the white sunflowers. So even though we are going to incorporate the yellow ones, I love white sunflowers. So I'm going to cut this bottom piece off here. Okay. Then we're going to spread out that boxwood a little bit. Like I said, I go into my stash and start pulling stuff out to use. So one of the sunflowers will go on this side, one of the sunflowers will go just a little bit lower on the bottom. And this is what that little tiny bouquet is going to look like. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get some jute, and we're going to cut a piece off. Let me use the other scissors. We're going to cut a piece off. And then I'm going to go ahead and you hold it together, guys, and then you go ahead and you wrap this around. You leave a little bit here so you can tie a knot. You wrap this around the flowers, just enough that you need, and then you tie a knot in the back. Okay. Now, because they have a wire, guys, you know, you can go ahead and just kind of bend that a little bit so that you can see that it's a sunflower. And I'm kind of liking how that looks. So I'm going to cut some of that excess twine off because we don't need it. And we probably want to cut this off too, these wires here. Okay. Just so they're not too long. Now, I already know where I want to place these, guys. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. So this part here is going to lay on the back of this. So let me show you. You see the H? We're going to glue that down right over that H. Okay? That's how that's going to look. And we are going to be using an adhesive. I'm not going to cut the jute twine off, but we are going to cut this little tag off. So what I'm going to do is we're going to lay that little bouquet right on that H, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive, like I said. And the rest of it is going to be hot glue because we need that instant stick. So this tag, guys, this little tag here was totally by accident. I made it, and then after I looked at it, I said, you know, this looks really nice. I'm going to incorporate this in one of my crafts, and so this is the craft I chose to do it with. So I put a little bit of the adhesive right here over that H, and that paint is not totally dry. And then now we're going to go ahead and put some hot glue, because we want to lay that little bouquet down. And like I said, we want to lay this down, but we also don't want to lay it down too low. Just want to hold it there for a couple of minutes. Alright, so while that's sitting there drying, we are going to have to keep pushing that down just until it hardens a little bit. We're going to glue the this tassel, okay? Now the tassel is going to be, the tassel is going to come, it's going to hang right under the N and the K. This way that will sit still. Okay, guys, that's what this is looking like so far. Okay, we're just going to lay it down like this, because I want to glue that tassel down, and then figure out where we want to scatter some of those other yellow sunflowers, and also some of these pearls. So let's take out, I think I would just want to use two. So we'll use two of these sunflowers. I don't see an opening here. And they do have like a wire behind them. I don't need the wire, so I'm going to cut the wire off. So I'm just going to use two. These are so pretty, guys. Okay. Now I'll cut the other wire. Giving this time to dry. Isn't that pretty, guys? Look at that. So I thought we would place a sunflower here. And we can place a sunflower here. Yeah, I think I like that idea. So we're going to place some glue and place a sunflower. And we're going to come over here in this tail right here, and we're going to place a sunflower. So I'm going to scatter some pearls. Okay guys, so we glued those sunflowers down. Now we're going to go ahead and glue this, this is already leaking. We're going to go ahead and glue, guys, this tassel down. I am so excited over this tassel. And we're just going to press that down right there until that glue holds it. Sorry. It's going to take a minute to dry. Okay, so while that's doing what it does, we're going to go ahead and we are going to just put 1 or 2 pearls around the side, because I love pearls. So wherever I can incorporate a pearl, I'm going to. So I'm just going to put a little dot of adhesive, just because I don't want that pearl to. Just to, so that's pretty much it. I'll place 1 pearl here, and 1 pearl here. More than enough. Okay, let's close this. The only other thing I wanted to do, guys, is I have this pine cone that I would like to incorporate somewhere, and I think I'm going to do that right here. You know, I get these random ideas, guys. Like suddenly I got that urge to place it right there. I'm sorry guys, it's late, I get silly. My son's looking at me. Okay, so we have 2 even pieces here. And I'm also going to add to this bow a double of this twine. And then we'll be done, guys. Let's see. So we're going to, I'm not going to change that hanger there because that hanger is already painted the same color as the, sign. That green color. Isn't that a beautiful color? So now we're going to make a shoe bow. Remember, you pull and tighten and pull and tighten. There you go. I think I like that bow. Isn't that absolutely beautiful, guys? I love this. Okay, so I just need to cut this ribbon down a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and butterfly those tails. Okay, we'll do the same thing on this side. So exactly where that little tiny, that sunflower bouquet is exactly where we're going to, this is what that bow looks like, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is what we're going to do. Let me show you what that looks like so far. This is what I needed to wait to glue. So let me just re-glue this because it didn't stay. Let's try that again. So we're going to hold that there. Hopefully that will stick with no problem. Alright, while that's drying, I don't have, this is why I don't like mixing the glues because it doesn't stick for me as that well. So I mix the Fix All adhesive with a little bit of hot glue, and unless you're just leaving it still, it doesn't work for me. You can't move stuff around. So getting back to the sign, guys, let me see if I can lift that up to show you what we have so far. It's so beautiful. And that tassel is not dry, so it looks like that's going to give me a little trouble. We're just going to have to leave that still, guys. Alright. So this is what we're going to do. This is what that piece looks like right this minute. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and re-glue that after. That is absolutely gorgeous, and you can go ahead and maneuver the sunflowers any which way you want. Okay, and before I glue that down, we're just going to give this one more shot, and hopefully we won't have any trouble with this. That's just going to take a second sitting there. I think it'll be fine. Now we're going to take that bow, and we're going to glue that bow on the top of that H right underneath where those sunflowers are, in front of the sunflower. Right there. So that's just going to take 1 second. Okay guys, I think we're good. There we go. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Look at that. So this still needs a little bit of time to dry, but you get the idea, guys. That is absolutely gorgeous. So here we have some boxwood and some sunflowers. We have a buffalo check bow and even pine cone. That green is absolutely gorgeous, and look at that, we even threw in some pearls. I forgot about the pearls, guys. I think this came out gorgeous. So I hope you can still read the, yeah, I think so. The thankful. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. Click like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, and click the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.